Welcome to 360 Degree Machinery. If you have any questions, comments, or surplus machinery you would like to sell, or for an up-to-date list of available machines, visit us on the web at 360degreemachinery.com. In addition to what is listed on our website, we have 50 plus machines being processed. So check back often, as we do not list machines until they have been thoroughly cleaned and tested. Also remember that all of our machines are located in-house and that we do not broker tools to guarantee quality. We're going to take a look at a Delta RT40 16-inch table saw with a 60-inch Biesemeyer fence. These were made by Invicta, and the RT40 is an iconic brute of a saw. The main reasons for this are its 7.5 horsepower motor and 16-inch blade capacity, coupled with its high build quality. Combined, you have power and up to a 5.5-inch depth of cut, and that's based off of 400 millimeter blade size, which is basically 15 3/4 inch blade size. This one also sports left and right extension wings, bringing its cast top size to 59 by 43 inches. It raises and lowers as it should. Tilts effortlessly. That's a main concern on all table saws. It just seems like some tilt nicely and some don't. Some raise and lower nicely and some don't. It can be a real issue when there's binding on that lead screw. This one is really smooth running. Extremely quiet. The fence locks nice and tight. If you have any questions or comments, you could reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.